Extraordinary student. I was like any other youngster wanting to just have fun, so I would bunk college and like go for movies. But I go back home to my mum and dad, who love to know exactly what happened, who said what at a party anywhere that I may be. I have major bird phobia. I don't know what it is. Maybe like because they can fly or something. And I always have this fear that they're going to just fly straight into my face. An actress. I always only ever wanted to be an actress. Oh my god, this is... Okay, the only time I think I was called out was when I was on the blacklist for bunking college. And my mother was so disappointed in me because according to her, I mean like there are few things that she's always expected from us. It's like being punctual, like the normal professional things. And obviously everyone bunks in college, and I was no extraordinary student. I was like any other youngster wanting to just have fun, so I would bunk college and like go for movies and things like that. So obviously I was on the blacklist for that. Dosa. My phone. Happiness. Birds. I have major bird phobia. I don't know what it is. Maybe like because they can fly or something, and I always have this fear that they're going to just fly straight into my face. It's a very strange phobia, but there's a word for it. I'm forgetting the word, but there is a word for it. I should know this word. I won an award for Times Power Woman, and I wore a red pantsuit, and I think that had to be one of my all-time favorite pantsuits that I've ever worn. So yeah, this year, first red carpet and an award I'm really, really humble about. You know, when I come home after work and then they're like, what did you do? How did you do it? And ask you all those questions. And I'm like, I just don't want to talk to anybody and go into my room and go to sleep. But that really bugs me. But to their credit, they've learned to let me just be and let me just chill when I come back from shoot. Because I think when we're on set, we're with so many people and you're constantly around people, then when you want to go back home, you just want to be by yourself and just like be in your own zone. But I go back home to my mum and dad, who love to know exactly what happened, who said what at a party anywhere that I may be. So now we're learning the art of ask me the next day. I have many fond memories with him, but I love our Sunday lunches that we do impromptu, where we'll go have lunch, then we go to, there's this little place in Mumbai called the Cross Maidan, where we go there and light a candle and pray, and it's just one of my favorite things to do with him. So yeah, we spend the day, and he loves to go to all these art galleries around town, so I accompany him to all of that. That's probably the most cultural part of my day, and I think I get to do that with my brothers. So like all time, this is the toughest question when someone asks your favorite film. I have like 1,000 in my mind right now. I have a list. Okay, Chal, I'll pick my own Kabir Singh.